Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labour right, them a go down, bang. Them a go down, bang. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. His, we now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we
We gonna run this town.
Make the trumpets play. Make the trumpets play. What they are attempting to do in Portmore, they are trying to overturn the results of the elections. And they are trying to cut a safe constituency for one of their members. Why do we say so? In St. Catherine, you have 41 divisions. The People's National Party won 22 of them. In Portmore, you have 12, and we win 9 out of that 12. So if you take out Portmore out of the 41, 41 minus 12 is how much, students? 29. So in order for you to have a mayor of St. Catherine, you will need to win 15 of the 29 constituencies. When you take the 9 that we have in Portmore from the 22 that we have in all of St. Catherine, Portmore currently included, you're going to get how many? 13. So they would automatically get the mayor of St. Catherine if they were to go through with that. They would overturn the will of the people. But that's not the only thing. Portmore is the only municipality that is in Jamaica currently. They have a direct election of a mayor. If you change Portmore from a municipality to a parish, it will no longer have a directly elected mayor. So with one little vote in a parliament, them want to take away 2 mayors from the People's National Party. And from the people of Jamaica. If it is that they don't believe in municipalities, why the Prime Minister go down to Westmoreland say he's going to turn Negril into a municipality? Why? Because they will deceive you. If they are trying to tell us that is not that them doing, they just want Portmore to become a parish, then why you don't use the same boundaries that Portmore have now as a municipality to be the same boundaries that it has when it becomes a parish? You are trying to cut down Portmore as it is now to make it smaller, to take off as Warmington said, the PNP them from over that side, over Lakesmen, and push them over Denise Daly, so that you have 900 less PNP votes in East Central St. Catherine, so that Terry Long can win. That's
me I practice my ex. Because I want to make sure say my part don't spoil this election day. Long time them Labourites forgotten. Them to one caring man. Make sure say my mark the ex right there so. Because I don't want the ballot spoil. See that ex yeah? For the teacher them wanna get them pay. You see that ex yeah? And for the people them want dead pan hospital bench because they never have no bed. You see that ex yeah? After the police them want work overtime and can't get them overtime pay. Yeah man, see how that X yeah? After the big salary what the politician them a give themselves and I can't get little salary to the people them. That X right now, yeah. After the nurse them. The nurse them. If you are working long hours and can't get no pay if you go a foreign if you try to survive. You see, oh man, that X yeah? This is because that time they take the bulldozer and mash up the house them out of Clifton. You see that X yeah? And the arrogance and the dictatorship where they try to run the country under. You see one there right there so? I feel all of the disrespect what they want to come give Jamaican. I make sure I say me mark my ex properly. Time come for a change. Time come for a better Jamaica.